So the Jackson Hole meeting is tomorrow, 35 minutes after the stock market opens, or at 10:05 a.m. Eastern time. I will be hosting the free live session broadcasting this Fed meeting tomorrow, and all you literally need to do is drop a thumbs up and subscribe, and please do not forget to turn on your post notifications. I don't know how many times I have to tell you guys, YouTube will not notify you if you don't turn them on. But why is it so significant? It's a Fed meeting, and it's because it gives us a better understanding on potential future forecasts. It's essentially on why the market sold off so much today. Check this out. QQQ behind me, you guys can see the lower lows and lower highs. If you look at the overall NASDAQ market, we were at, previous highs of 373. And NVIDIA just reported earnings. Not only did they report earnings, they beat expectations for both earnings per share and for revenue. It was super, super bullish. But guess what? This is why we talked about on Monday and on Sunday the importance of one of the most important meetings this week, and that is the Jackson Hole meeting, right? You can find it on the federalreserve.gov website, again, 10:05 a.m. or 35 minutes after the market opens. The reason that this is so significant is, again, to keep it very simple, it is where various experts share their forecasts and analysis of economic and financial outlook of the United States. The biggest and the simplest way that I can put it is that as of right now, there is fear that the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell being the head of the Federal Reserve, is most likely going to announce that he is going to be more aggressive with future rate hikes, therefore making it more expensive to borrow money. And the domino effect of that is if it's more expensive to borrow money, then therefore people begin to spend less money, and that slows down the economy. That is what every headline is saying. That is what everyone is talking about. That is what's getting factored into the market. Now, is this what he has to say? No, but that is essentially what this has known to be, right? Why is the Jackson Hole Fed meeting significant? I encourage you to check this out and do your own due diligence. So the Jackson Hole meeting has been historically an important event of investors and traders, as it can offer clues on potential policy shifts, right? It's very, very simple that they're literally just looking for clues to have a better understanding of what the intention is from the Federal Reserve. We will be broadcasting this for free on this YouTube channel 35 minutes after the market opens, and I'm not here to sugarcoat it. I mean, at the end of the day, no one knows exactly what's going to happen. We don't know if it's going to be a bullish day. We don't know if it's going to be a bearish day, right? But just like today, even if the market sells off, you guys saw it firsthand. We short the market and we make money as the market sells off. If the market begins to rally tomorrow, then I'll go long, and we follow the market's direction. We wait for the market to react. And if conditions suck and they're not favorable, then guess what? It's not the end of the world. It's just one day. There's nothing wrong with staying cash. I can't stress this enough. Stop being like those AMC bag holders. Stop trying to predict the future on something that's never going to happen. Look out for yourself. Be selfish. This is a market where it pays to be patient. And instead of trying to predict something to happen, why not just take time and prepare and wait to react? It's a very simple way of trading. Boring, but very simple and much more effective than all those other people that always try to give you call outs on what they think that you should do with your hard-earned money. No one should ever tell you what to do on where to put your money. If you can't decide or make that decision yourself, you simply aren't ready yet. But it should be exciting, because that just means that you have more things to learn about the market to build your criteria of what makes a quality trade or investment setup. And that is super, super exciting, because you have nothing but time, right? So again, tomorrow, 10:05 a.m., 35 minutes after the market opens, I will be hosting that free live session here on my YouTube channel. Drop a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and if you have any questions, shoot me a direct message right now via Discord, and that's the first link in the description down below. If you want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow at market open, that is going to be the second link in the description down below. I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.